Hi, my spectacular chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of dishes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going back to basics and making a hard-boiled egg. All you need to make this is some water and an egg. Salt, pepper, and other seasonings are always optional. With that said, let's get cooking. The incredible edible egg. Depending on the size of each egg, these little nuggets are packed with 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and a hefty 78 calories worth of nutrition. Everyone seems to have their own perfect method for boiling eggs, and I feel like I've tried them all, but this one comes out the same for me, the same exact way every time. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bring a pot of water to the boil. Have patience, don't watch that pot because we all know a watch pot never boils. Once it's boiling, add in your egg, careful not to crack it on the bottom, so I use tongs, then set a 9-minute timer. While that's cooking, add some ice and water to a bowl. This is an ice bath. Once the egg is done, remove it from the pot, safely not to burn yourself, and immediately place it into the ice bath. This stops the cooking process. Everyone seems to have their own method for cracking eggs as well. Feels like I've tried them all too. I simply give it a firm smash on the top and bottom, and then I start peeling on the fat bottom of the egg where there always seems to be a little bit of an air pocket. You can start peeling the shell from there and make sure you get under the membrane. If you can manage to get your fingers under that little bit of protective membrane that connects the shell to the whites, it peels off rather easy like that. 9 minutes always sets a firm white with a yolk that's not overcooked and chalky, but cooked through where it's not runny at all. If you want it cooked a little bit more, do 10 minutes. If you want it cooked a little less, do 8. Play around with it. See what you like. If you tried this method, how did it work out for you? How do you hard boil your eggs? Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. You are all so very kind. Have a lovely day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!